6 a.m., day after Christmas. I throw some clothes on in the dark. The smell of cold, car seat is freezing. The world is sleeping, I am numb. Up the stairs to her apartment. She is balled up on the couch. Her mom and dad went down to Charlotte. They're not home to find us out. And we drive. Now that I've found someone, I'm feeling more alone than I ever have before. She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly off the coast and I'm headed nowhere. She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly. They call her name at 7:30. I pace around the parking lot and I walk down to buy her flowers and sell some gifts that I got. Can't you see? It's not me you're dying for. Now she's feeling more alone than she ever has before. She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly off the coast and I'm headed nowhere. She's a brick and I'm drowning slowly.
should have seen her do the skater walks. Some people got to pay and draw. Harry had to work in clean stone. Like the waves coming to the shore, it was in his blood and in his bones. It was ignored by all trendy boys in London, yes, and in Leeds. He might as well have been making toys, strings and beads. It couldn't be. No, it couldn't be. In the gallery. No, no. In the gallery. And then you get an artist. He says he doesn't want to paint at all. Takes an empty canvas, sticks it on the wall. For a top fella, all the phonies and all of the fakes, while the dealers, they get together and they decide who gets the breaks.